Alright guys, let's see how we can solve another question from the second chapter of the Meriam textbook, Engineering Mechanics. And in this one, it's known that the y component of the force F exerted on P and P is 20 pounds. We know the angle theta is 30 degrees and angle beta is 15 degrees. We need to determine the magnitude of the force F and also the x component of the force F. So as we can see, the force F is slightly inclined toward the y-axis, so it's not actually vertical. And if we draw one line parallel to our x-axis, this angle right here would be theta 2. And since we have x and y perpendicular to each other, this angle here would be 90 minus theta. So now that we have that angle with our x axis, we should be able to find the x and y component of the F. So I'm just going to draw the force F in here a little bit more. Just going to exaggerate a little bit and I can show it better. So we have this force F, which we can resolve it into x and y component. This will be our x and this will be our y component. And we also know if we want to find this angle here, we basically have 90 minus theta. We know theta is 30 degrees, so this will be 60 degrees, 90 minus 30, and beta is 15. So this angle would be 60 plus 15 or 75 degrees. So now that we have that, we know this will be our Fy and this will be our Fx. So Fy would be F sine of 75 degrees. And if we want to find F, we simply have Fy over sine of 75. We know Fy from the question is 20 pounds. So this will be 20. So now we can find the magnitude of force F, which will be 20 divided by sine of 75. So that's going to give us 20.71 pounds. That would be the magnitude of the force F, and Fx simply would be F cosine of 75 degrees. We're going to have a negative sign since it's acting along negative x-axis. So negative 20.71 times cosine of 75 degrees. And our Fx will be times cosine of 75 minus 5.36 pounds. And this is going to be our x component and the final answer for this question. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.